Hi, it's Gail with Gail Southern Living. I live in Central Texas, Garden Zone 8A, and today's quick garden tip is I was watching Nicole Smith gardening. I'll put her link in the description box, and she was talking about vine borers. So I started reading about them and looking at my plants. And so I started reading. My quick tip is to find a yellow bowl because vine borers are attracted to yellow because that's the color of some squash. Put soapy water in it and look how many bugs are in that. That's been in there since this morning and it's just full of bugs. So I noticed something was biting here. I started looking at the bottom of the plant and I don't know exactly what they look like, but Nicole Smith gardening, check it out. Is that a vine borer there? I don't know. Anyway, that's the quick tip that I read, so I wanted to pass that along to you guys. Have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind, guys.